Actually, very brief. Very brief. It was just too much.
So today we were in court, or rather we came for the hearing of the case. We were served with the documents. We realized that half of the witnesses, at least 12 of them, whom the DPP is lining up to call for this trial, are actually the accused persons. So the DPP is intending to use the accused persons as witnesses. So we have raised constitutional issues, and the court has said that it's going to look into it in 1 hour's time and tell us whether or not the trial can proceed, and whether or not the trial is contaminated with legal impurity, and whether there is transgression, and whether there is a violation of the accused persons who are also supposed to be witnesses' rights. So we are coming at perhaps in 1 hour's time for that determination. Yeah. Okay.
Check.